This is a precast staircase, which means it's made in a factory somewhere and it's brought to the house and plopped down. It's not poured or anything like that. And this wrought iron, that's the name for this, is made for this staircase. And it's really pretty simple, but it can be intimidating and you might be a little nervous about drilling into your concrete stairs. Luckily, that's why I'm making this video, to show you that it's really not that hard. So first step is I just want to take this and put it where I think it's going to go so I can mark the holes of where they need to be. And I'll move this over here. There's going to be one on each side and it's going to go a little something like that. So one thing I want to be careful of when I'm drilling these holes and I'm putting these bolts in is I don't want to be too close to the edge. Obviously, I wouldn't be like that because that's kind of an awkward lip to have hanging over. But even like this, let's see if I measure that, that's about 1 inch. And that's what they recommend. But this has a bit of an overhang to it. So the thing that I'm trying to avoid is any of this concrete breaking off on the outside. So I'm going to pull this in a little bit. So that is about 2 inches to the front. That's about 2 inches. Double check that. And then I'm going to check these as you go up. And that is 1.75 inches. So this isn't going to be perfect. And every staircase is going to be different. But the biggest thing is to stay away from the edge just a little bit so you don't end up breaking that concrete off. So as far as where these handrails are going to go, it's kind of a personal preference, but there are a few rules that you want to pay attention to. The first one, like I said, is to make sure you're not too close to the edge here. And it's a good idea to center the handrails between the door right here. So have the same space here and here in case maybe your stairs are off center of the door to begin with. And then past that, it is a personal preference. So right here, this is one way you could do it where there is a pretty big gap to the house. On this side, you could put it tight to the house. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split the difference. So you can see where this one is. That is plenty far back. We're not gonna have any problems with chipping concrete. And then on this side, this is as far as I would wanna go this way. So I'm just gonna pull this one back a little bit. And I'm gonna put it just about there. So you have a small gap between the house. You won't cause any water issues with it sitting tight to the siding. And then I'll just make the space between the door trim and the railing the same on both sides. So I got this one where I think it looks good. It's away from the siding a little bit, but not too far. It's gonna be, I think, 5.5 inches from here, from the trim. I'm just gonna make sure that's the same on the other side. And then I made sure that it is the same distance from the edge. There's 2 inches there. And then if I go to this one in the middle, it's 2 inches right there. And down here, 2 inches. And I ended up holding it about 2.5 inches from the front here. This step up here is slightly different. Actually, that is pretty close, so 2.5 inches. So these stairs are nice and even with the handrail. That's awesome. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark all these holes so I know where to drill for the bolts. So I'm just gonna mark the entire hole here, right around like this. And I'm gonna do that on all 6 of them.